Hi everyone, I'm Aurora.
Stuart.
We're Annapolis Valley Dance Company, and we're just wrapping up the rest of our Level 2 Salsa sequence, which was our first and second lesson of the Level 2 class. So we've done our crossbody lead, changing directions, which again looks like this. Let's just demo. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Crossbody lead and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Crossbody lead. Now we're just going to add a change of hand position. We're going to do our basic steps. So into that, we started here. We'll 1, 2, 3, and change the hand. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Prep a turn. And the follow is going to go 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Hair comb. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Let's just do that again. So the whole thing, crossbody lead, changing directions. Then we're going to change our hand position. We're going to turn, and we're going to end with hair comb. All right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Crossbody lead and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Crossbody lead and 1, 2, 3. Change the hands. 1, 2, 3. Turn 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. There was going to be a basic in between there, but that's okay. You can do it either way. Let's show you what it looks like with the basic in between.
All right.
5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Crossbody lead and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Crossbody lead, basic 1, 2, 3. Change the hands and 1, 2, 3. Turn 6, 7 and basic step. 5, 6, 7 and hair comb. 5, 6, 7. There you go.
That's it?
That's it.